Hello, welcome from Hong Kong. So I went to Pop Mart and then bought a bunch of things, and I love it here. It's so much better. I found the Mickey family. Cute together, Keychain. So excited. Babe, where were we? Causeway Bay. Causeway Bay. And I forgot what mall. But it was kind of cool though. I was like, oh, I saw someone have a Pop Mart bag, so I was like, I have to get it. So here we go. Let's see. I want the Mickey. I want all of them, duh. But I'm shooting for Mickey, Goofy, or The Secret. Here goes nothing. So excited. Ooh. First Pop Mart unboxing in Hong Kong. Oh, and also we're leaving tomorrow for Shanghai. So excited. 1, 2, 3. What did I get? Oh! Ooh! I'm so happy I got Mickey. Fuck yeah. Because guess where we're going? I'm going to Shanghai Disney with my partner. So excited. Oh, it's so cute. So fluffy. Oh my god. Oh, it's shedding a little bit, but that's okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at his gloriousness. Is there a card? Ooh, it does come with a card. Wow, 2 silica jellies and the card. Oh, whoa, you can actually, like, gift it and mail it to someone. That's nice. But yeah. So excited. Okay. Bye. Try again.